Hello traders, and welcome to Trading the Trend. I am Dennis, and this is my look at my top strong week trades for the week. And let's get right into it. Let's look at our strong week rankings. And as you can see, going back to a week ago Friday, that is past Friday, nothing's really changed. Actually, it's a complete image of the previous week. The only difference is you had the New Zealand and the pound trade places, but there was a lot of back and forth between the number one spots between the euro and the yen, and then over on this side, the pound, New Zealand, and the Swiss franc all took turns in the last spot, which meant we had a lot of different top strong week trades show up. Actually 5 altogether. I don't like it when you see that much turmoil in our top strong week trades. That is a signal that the market is in a bit of a consolidation and sideways motion, which does not work well for our trend trading. So let's get into it and take a look at these and see what's going on. We'll start with the current top strong week trade, which is the pound yen. And let's look at it right here. Okay, this was our entry point on this candle here, and we had 2 nice down candles to finish the week, and we hit a low, which would be a profit point of 224 pips. A bit of reversal at the very end of the week, so we'll have to see if this really means anything, or do we continue lower. But a nice gain for just 2 days there. Next one we're going to look at is the euro pound, and even though it showed up this week as a top strong week trade, this is actually a long-term trade for us. We actually first entered this one back here on the 26th of May, and it has remained a top strong week trade ever since then. And on Friday we hit a new high of 421 pips, so this one just continues to grind its way higher. Next one we're going to look at is the Euro New Zealand, and there it is. Okay, so this one's been a bit of back and forth action. This was our entry point here on this candle, and we made a high of 226 pips before it pulls back. It pulled back to the entry point, but then you get a reversal candle, 2 reversal candles 2 days in a row. So this is telling me that the buyers are coming in here, and this thing wants to move higher. So maybe we'll challenge this high again. So if you didn't take profits already, this thing could head higher for you. And then we're going to look at a couple trades that have not worked out too well as of yet. First, we'll look at the Swiss franc and the yen. And this is not one I normally trade. There it is. Okay, so this was our entry point after breaking the 200-day moving average, but then it immediately reversed against us for a couple days, and now it seems to be heading back down again. So if you stuck with it, you're down about 40 pips here. So this thing still has a chance to head lower, so we'll keep watching that. And the last one, which is going to be the same type of pattern, is the New Zealand yen. And there we go. Okay, so we were positive for a short while. This big down candle is where we would have entered at, and then we had a reversal candle. It went against us a bit, and now it's headed back down. So if you stuck with it, you're a little bit negative, but not too bad. So if the yen remains strong, I would look for this thing to continue lower. It's going to have a lot to do with the U.S. stock market, and if stocks continue to trend lower, then you would expect the yen to remain strong, and maybe this will get into the positive territory. So anyway, that's what I have for you for this week. Hopefully everyone is having a great weekend, and I will catch you with daily updates on my thread. Talk to you later.